The difference between the crocodile and the alligator is that the crocodile will have a V-shaped snout and the alligator will have smallest size snake in India. But that's not the interesting thing about it. The interesting thing about the snake is that there are only students. Let us continue with the important examples of reptiles. We have completed 5 examples in the previous class. Crocodylus, commonly called as the crocodile. They are advanced reptiles. They have a 4-chambered heart. This thing should be engraved in your heart, okay? The crocodiles have a 4-chambered heart. Despite being reptiles, all the other reptiles have the 3-chambered heart with a partially divided ventricle, but they have a 4-chambered heart. There is Thecodont dentition. There is parental care as well. There is one more called as alligator. The difference between the crocodile and the alligator is that the crocodile will have a V-shaped snout and the alligator will have a U-shaped snout. Crocodile has a V-shaped snout and the alligator has a U-shaped snout. Then you must have also heard of Gharial. Gharial is found in Indian rivers commonly. These are piscivorous fish eating and their snout is very elongated. Found in Indian rivers, mainly in North India. Next we talk about snakes. Snakes are limbless reptiles. There are different types of snakes. Let us discuss one example. Cobra. Scientific name is Naja. It has a bifid tongue. It has the presence of the Jacobson's gland. Jacobson's gland, also called as the vomeronasal gland, which is present right above its palate, which helps it in detecting the chemical stimuli in nature. It will project its bifid tongue outside, to which the chemical stimuli in the environment will stick to. It will retract its tongue and it will touch the tongue to the palate, wherein these chemical stimuli are picked up by this Jacobson's gland, and it will help it in detecting what kind of chemicals they are and from which direction they are coming in. Helps to detect chemical stimuli. This is an important gland, you must remember this. Its fangs are modified maxillary teeth. What are maxillary teeth? They are present on the upper jaw, which is called as the maxilla. The lower jaw is called the mandible, but they are maxillary teeth present on the maxilla. So this, let's say this is a fang. There is also presence of poison glands right above the fangs. Poison glands, which are modified salivary glands, whose ducts will be ending right till the end of the fangs. And guess what will happen when the cobra bites? These glands are going to inject the venom directly inside the tissue of the victim. We have different types of poisonous snakes. Apart from the cobra, there is cobra, there is krait, then there are vipers, each one belonging to different family and genus. The krait belongs to the genus Bungarus, and vipers belong to Vipera. Cobra belongs to Naja. The type of toxin that they produce, there is a slight difference in the type of toxin that is being produced. For example, the cobra and the krait produce a toxin which is called as the neurotoxin. Neurotoxin is known to affect the CNS, the central nervous system of the host, whereas the toxin produced by the vipers is called as haemotoxin. Haemotoxin affects blood and tissues of the host. There will be clotting of blood, damage to the tissues, etc. Rattlesnake also comes under vipers only. Rattlesnake is more specifically called as pit viper. It belongs to the family of vipers. A rat snake is a non-poisonous snake and it is known for being viviparous. And rattlesnake is also called as the pit viper is ovoviviparous. Last example we will do is Typhlina, Brahminy blind snake. This snake is very interesting. Smallest sized snake in India. But that's not the interesting thing about it. The interesting thing about this snake is that there are only females in the snake population. Only females. How has this come about? So the female lays the eggs, and the eggs, without being fertilized by a male, grows into another female. There is parthenogenesis of this egg into formation of a new organism. Okay, you know what is parthenogenesis? Parthenogenesis is the development of an organism from an unfertilized egg. So the ploidy of these snakes is going to be haploid. Population consists of only females. They are formed by parthenogenesis, development of organism from unfertilized unfertilized egg. Now can you tell me why they are called as Brahminy snakes? Brahminy, this name has actually been given from the term Brahmin, meaning they are very pure, they do not want to mate with any males, they have the sanctity about them, etc. Only females. Why are they blind? Their eyes are very small and redundant. Small sized worm-like snakes. So with that we have completed with the important examples of reptiles, and with that we have completed class Reptilia. In the next class we are going to learn about class Aves.
In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe